party till the morning and we'll do it all again.
Hello. Don't think Charlotte was quite ready for me to start the camera rolling there. So we're just outside Crowne Plaza in Plymouth city centre. I just wanted to show you this place and start the vlog off here. So welcome back to the channel. Anyway, I hope you're all well. Hope you've been earning a few bob and everything's all cushy. We're going to take you up through Plymouth Hoe in a minute and show you all around the sort of war memorials and stuff and see what all that looks like. And then from the Hoe you can walk down to the Barbican. So you head down there, show you around there, and probably go for a beer in the sun on this lovely Sunday. The reason why we started the vlog here outside Crowne Plaza is we normally stay here. In our last video we showed you where we are staying, where we've only paid £32.50 a night. So if you haven't seen that video yet, have a look at that. If Charlotte can work out how to put a link up, she'll do it, and if she can't, then she won't. Link here. Yeah, and usually we would stay in the Crowne Plaza. It's got we might as well walk up through and we'll talk it through, but they've got quite a nice swimming pool, indoor pool, with they got a steam room, and a sauna, and a gym that you can use for free if you're obviously staying at the hotel. On the top floor they've also got a it's basically 360 degree where you can see it up there. That top floor where those windows are is the Marco Pierre White's restaurant, and I think this bit is actually the swimming pool, isn't it? That building just there. And they actually got a sun deck as well, so we haven't actually stayed there when the weather's been nice, but there is a sun deck, so if you want to go out and do a bit of sunbathing you can. And then if you book breakfast with the room, you actually have breakfast up at the Marco Pierre White's, and you can see from where those windows are behind me, it looks out over the Plymouth Hoe, which is a beautiful place to eat breakfast. And well, how do you rate the breakfast in the Crowne Plaza, babe?
Chef's kiss. You can actually order off a menu as well as have the buffet. So quite often Gary will order, yeah, is it kippers? Yeah,
they do like smoked kippers and stuff, don't
Fancy
they?
Fancy stuff. You can have,
I think salmon might be on the smoked salmon as well, is on there.
Yeah, what's it called? Eggs Benedict.
Eggs Benedict. Well, eggs Royale, isn't it?
And yeah, you can then still have a full fry up buffet as well.
Yeah, which is pretty good. And in the last video we mentioned about, you know, the blue light card for people who have worked or still do work in the blue light area of employment, and they'll do 25% off, so either 20 or 25 off the price of the room, plus you get 20 or 25%, I can't remember, off of the Marco Pierre White's. And down on the ground floor they've got like a coffee bar, and they do food in there as well. It's called Drake's Bar, and you get 20 or 25% off the bill. And then I think you might even get 20% off the drinks in the Drake's Bar.
Yeah, they do nice coffees in there. You get Maltesers.
Yeah, no, I think they used to do maybe we'll go there tonight. They do cocktail happy hour, don't they? You might be able to go in and have a cocktail.
Smells again.
What do you smell this time?
Poo.
Oh, babe.
Smells of poo.
So this is, as you can see, one of the first war memorials we come to on Plymouth Hoe. I'll walk up through here. It's obviously, well, not obviously, if you don't know, it's not obvious, but it's a military city, really, I suppose, Plymouth, as well as many other things, of course. But there's yeah, an army barracks here, a big navy barracks, HMS Drake, and you've got Stonehouse and 4-2 Commando up at Bickley, just outside of town. So there's a lot of history here. Oh, sorry.
There's people up in the lighthouse.
Is there? Oh yeah, oh there you go. Let's go have a look, shall we? Let's go and see the sea. I see the sea and the sea sees me. So we should really go and have a read of what this is, shouldn't we? Looked at it many times. In honour of the Navy and the abiding memory of these ranks and the ratings of this port who laid down their lives in the defence of the Empire and have no other grave than the sea, and their comrades of Australia, South Africa, Newfoundland, India, Pakistan, Crowne, Fiji, Gold Coast, Hong Kong, Kenya, Malaya, Nigeria, Sierra Leone and Burma, whose names are here recorded. Bit of a mouthful. And this is the Plymouth Naval Memorial. So this is the CWCGC Plymouth Navy Memorial. Commemorates more than 7,200 Royal Navy personnel and 75 sailors from the Royal Australian Navy who died during the First World War. Cool. Let's have a walk up through then.
I think there's some jugglers.
Yeah, a few jugglers. And what's nice about this is I think like it's so family orientated up here, and it, you know, people bring their kids up to teach them how to ride their bikes. There's people walking their dogs. There's people learning to juggle. And there's people like us just having a mooch around.
I can
People
smell pasties now.
Oh, that's a better smell.
It's getting better.
Happy days. And then I'm going to turn this around now because this is a far better view than looking at my mug.
Wow.
You've got all the commercial shipping boats. I think there's some kind of navy boat out there as well behind that one. You've got the ferry port. There's a couple of ferries in as well. And this is where the Lido is also. There's an outdoor pool. Missed the Lido from where we are. That closed many years ago. Those of you a bit older might remember the Lidos. Yeah, and then just down there is the Barbican, and that's where the aquarium is as well, isn't it?
Oh yeah, I like the aquarium.
Yeah, been there a couple of times. Hello! Plenty of lovely ladies about as well. Enjoy. Exactly. Oh dear. There you go. Can't go wrong with a bit of Plymouth. There's a light boat coming in. I'm not sure exactly where the Lido is from here. I got a feeling it might be that way, you know.
I don't have a Scooby.
No, she never does, bless her. That's certainly the way down to the Barbican, which we're going to go and have a look at in a minute.
My catchphrase.
Well, I don't know where I'm going.
Don't know where I am.
Don't know where I am. Don't know where I'm going. We'll see if we can find the outdoor pool. Have a quick look at that. We've got to be heading that way. There's quite a few little like restaurants and stuff that's sort of like a, how would you describe it? Like almost fitted into the coast.
It's a wall. Was it here we had that seafood?
Yeah, I think it was.
What's the seafood place?
Hopefully we get a good view from up here. So you can see just everyone enjoying the gardens of Plymouth Hoe. And that's why we like to come up here. Or come to Plymouth, I should say. So the Lido must be further down this way then. We'll head down here, but this is what I was saying, like sort of carved into the cliff edge almost. There's plenty of coffee shops and restaurants, seafood places all the way along here. I think that must be a bar down there. You can see the ferries in the background. Yeah, what a beautiful place. Let's have a walk, shall we? Send Charlotte down first.
You're going down there?
Yeah.
I'm trying to start a TikTok from up here.
Oh, we'll do it then. I'll pause. There we go. We're pausing for TikTok. So we've just having a walk, headed towards the Barbican, and we found the Lido. It's looking a bit sad. There it is.
It's a bit shallow to swim.
Yeah, there's no water in there. You've got people actually just jumping in the water over here, and all through along there. There's people enjoying the water, but unfortunately the Lido looks like it's closed. Oh, here we go. Summer season opening times, 25th of May to the 15th of September. So, oh, it is opening in, what, 3 or 4 weeks time?
25th of May.
Yeah,
We'll
there we go.
come back.
Yeah, we'll have to come back down and use it. If you don't use it, you lose it, as they say.
Once in a lifetime transformation.
Oh, there we go.
11.6
Can you see down
million.
there? I know you can't see the pool.
Okay.
11.6 million, wow.
Where'd they get that from?
Yeah, well, hopefully the council.
Oh wow, look, you can see it.
Car. Yeah, imagine we can get outside of the gate so that we can, the railing, so we can actually see it. But oh, they're building all like a sun deck, and that's going to be lush.
Do you think it's going to be like a beach bar?
Yeah, like a beach club. Hopefully. Look at the size of it as well. I didn't.
Look how deep it is.
Yeah, it's really deep. I didn't realise just how big the Lido
You'd
was
have like
here.
a diving board, like rabbit jump.
Yeah, yeah. In that was Gilly Tea, wasn't it? That was awesome. Ocean View Bar and Dining. And there we go. It looks like a nice place. We'll go in there for a coffee maybe at some point.
On the lottery, it's opening.
Well, I'm sure we can afford a coffee, darling. Oh wow, look at these, and they've got some
Oh my god!
like pontoons out in the water,
There's
look, and
people on
there's a
them.
couple of people sat chilling on the pontoons. Cool.
How did she get there? She's fully clothed.
Oh, she might have a wetsuit on. Oh, there's loads of people down there, all sunbathing, and yeah, awesome. Right, let's carry on. Let's get another little better view of, I suppose, people taking advantage of the warm weather and, yeah, having a jump in.
Don't think it's quite warm enough to get in there.
No. I wonder if we can walk round this way. Might be able to. Let's have a look. So what I like, again, now there's the lighthouse that we just passed and where the Hoe is. Then obviously you can walk just all the way along this bit. Takes you right down. Oh yeah, it does. I can smell burgers and sausages. Oh, there we are. There's a little bit of beach. Plenty of people chilling though.
It's nice to see people out.
Yeah, it is. It's cool. And there's another restaurant you can sit in, have some food. Yeah, it's nice to see people enjoying the weather. It's the thing about this country, you know, I know everyone says it, but if you had the weather, a little, even just a few months of good weather, it'd be a lovely place to live, but we just never get that consistent weather, do we?
No.
Never get the consistency. There's a dog in the water there as well.
Oh, is he alright?
He's having a great time.
Great.
Right, let's head on through then. There's the Great British flag, Great British Blighty flag flying. Let's have a walk along here. And this is called the Terraced Bar and Cafe. If you head back up and we'll walk along the path. Right, let's get up these stairs.
This is the Barbican, and it's packed.
Follow on, babe.
Should we go to our boat, darling?
Be nice, wouldn't it? Rocking her flip-flops.
You Jim Jam.
So here we have it. We're the final descent into the heart of the Barbican. Where's the aquarium, babe? There we go.
I love the aquarium.
Loves the aquarium. And one good thing about the aquarium is if you buy a ticket, you can then go in for free for the rest of the year. Can you go, is it unlimited or can you just go once? Yeah, so unlimited access for the year if you just buy one ticket. Admiral McBride pub.
Pop it right in.
Yeah, that's the only trouble, isn't it? It's alright, the sound of the motorbikes and stuff will drown it out a little bit. Let's have a walk down here. So there's a sort of fairly locally famous sort of burger slash sort of hot dog place down here. What did you say it was called?
I think it's Captain Jack's.
Yeah, we'll check it out.
I can't remember. That popular.
Yeah, that pub, I can't remember the name. Someone did say it's fairly sort of locally famous. Oh, that's a nice Lotus. Driving past. I get to check out all the fancy boats. Look at that.
Which one are we going to buy?
Yeah. Few pound coins in that harbour, that's for sure.
Way bigger.
Oh yeah, it does. That smells a bit better. Just food this time, which is good. Oh yeah, here we go. We can see it now. Captain Jasper's. Jasper's, that's it.
Oh, I think this place was new. It used to be a
Is it like
that clothes shop.
Crew Clothing or something, didn't it? Yeah, we'll go have a little look at the Captain Jasper's menu. We've eaten there before, and if you fancy burgers and hot dogs, I think it's the place to go, isn't it? It's not sure if I fancy that right now today. There's another little restaurant there that's probably worth popping into. Hooked, the harbour. Should we walk round? There's a shoe shop, just in case you need a new pair of deck shoes for your boat. I think we're all right for today. Ah, that's all right. That's quite handy. They've actually got an outside menu, or a menu outside, shall we say? There it is, Captain Jasper's. Might have to mute this bit.
Jasperizer.
The Jasperizer. Look at that, 6-ounce bacon burger atop a 6-ounce cheeseburger, finished with fried onions. Sounds nice. So there is your menu if you're interested. And a mug of tea for just £1.10, 20p mug deposit. That's aimed at you, that is.
I'm a mug?
No, you'll have it away, won't you?
Hey. I'd pay 20p for a mug, would you?
Yeah, fair. Yeah, it's not much of a deterrent, is it?
Ooh,
Here we are.
Clippy.
The Clippy, the bus cafe.
Private joke.
Yeah. Lush. Right. Oh, there's the Navy Inn. That's not a bad pub over there as well. Let's go get ourselves a cold one, shall we?
No, of course.
Cheers. Just as well have one for the road, don't we? Cheers, everybody. Can't beat a cold beer on a hot summer's day. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video and having a look around the Hoe and the Barbican. And we'll see you in the next one.
Yeah, me and my sister went ice cream.
We could party till the morning and we'll do it all again.